Hey, 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 hey. We are making some we are making some French fries or baked French fries, kind of like a steak fry. For McKenna, this is what she likes to eat for lunch. Right now, she's super picky, so the one thing I can get her to eat without fail is potatoes. So this is what we're making. This is also for Papa, her daddy, when she's all alone with him and he's like, I don't know what I'm doing. He can look at the video too. So it's for you, Papa, dedicated to Papa. Yeah. All right. So I've already cut our fries into pieces. It's kind of roughly the same, not quite. Kind of get them the same size. The trick about this recipe is you need to I guess dry your French fries, not wash them, but they have kind of like a, I don't know if you can see like the shininess of it, but they have like a a shininess. Oh yes, Kenna, you got like a little shininess. Yeah, it's shiny. Yes, you're right, baby. So what I do, I just kind of dab them with a napkin. I mean, it's nothing extensive. You're not like rubbing it like for dear life, but you just kind of just get off some of that, not slimy, but shiny, starchy stuff off of it. And you kind of do this to it helps for your French fries to have a better, I don't know, crisp on it. It gives it a nice crisp, fluffy in the inside, nice crunchy on the outside. It's the perfect consistency. Right now I have the oven set to 400. That's where we're going to cook our French fries on for 20 minutes. You will know your French fries are done when they have that spotted brown spots on them. Not like bad spots like it's rancid, but you'll see what I'm talking about a little bit later. So keep dabbing until all your fries are dabbed. Okay, now that we have all our fries nicely dry, I push them in the middle of the pan. I sprinkle a little bit, maybe a tablespoon. Again, I don't always use measuring cups when I have done a recipe enough. I just can eyeball it, but I use this olive oil. It's from Aldi's. So I'm just going to drizzle about a tablespoon of olive oil. Not too much. But, you know, if you do too much, then you can always go back with those same napkins. Not the dirty ones, but go back with the napkin and just dab some of the oil off of your pan. That'll help. Go ahead and do some salt. I'm using the pink Himalayan salt. Again, I just eyeball it. You know if you like your fries to be salty or not. And then I use oregano leaves, dried ones, or organic ones. I think this is from Aldi's as well. Yeah, from Aldi's. I feel like oregano takes these fries to another level. So just salt and oregano. And I just kind of liberally put that on there. So that's how this is looking. And now I'm just going to mix this. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mix these together. very artistic. You turned the camera on your own as well. Thank you for letting your viewers see your potato boat. Mama can't use this potato, but this is what you made.
Yes.
She decided to take the noodles, the spaghetti noodles that were sitting here, and make herself a potato boat, I guess, or whatever you want to call that.
No.
Oh, I'm not taking it. Sorry. All right, back to our French fries. So they should look something like this. Pay close attention. Here's a honey tip to make sure that your fries have room. If you overcrowd the pan, you will end up, Kenneth, you will end up almost steaming your fries, and they're not going to have that crunchy outer layer. So you're really going to have to. You're really going to have to make sure you leave enough space in between them, and so that they can become crunchy and nice looking. So it's ready to go in the oven, and that's. All right, these are the brown little spots that you know that they are ready to come out. So if you hit that 20-minute mark and they don't look like this with a couple of brown spots on it, you need to leave it a little longer. Hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. So here's the lunch that we did. We paired our French fries with a black bean, vegan, gluten-free burger. If you would like to see more recipes that are either gluten-free or vegan, please, please, please comment down below. I can do breakfast, lunch, or dinner items. Just let me know and we can make it happen. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you guys next time.